Politician under probe as shooting video goes viral. A senior member of the police high command has warned that possible charges could be laid against Trevor Webb, the politician who was captured in a recent video shooting at water bottles that were in a man's outstretched hands and on his head. We have heard the matter and it is something that is being reviewed, the senior police officer said. Police have also hinted that possible charges of negligence could be laid against the individual. No charges have been laid in the matter as yet, but I believe if the case is reviewed closely, several charges could be laid. The officers described the development as a serious matter that has not only endangered the life of another individual in the case of the man holding the bottle, but has also sent a wrong message to those who look up to the individuals in power for guidance. Reports have also surfaced that the Firearm Licensing Authority, the FLA, is also probing the matter. In the video, Webb and the other persons are seen at what appears to be a remote location and can be heard celebrating after the politician point and discharges his weapon, hitting the water bottle on the man's head and the other two in his outstretched hands. Well, truth of the matter is he's a really good shot, but boy, may I tell you, child's play, careless.
So why are you turning your back now?
They can't catch everything. Wait.
I catch everything, man. I catch everything, man.
Alright, ready now.
Yeah, man. All three here. All three here. Clean through the center.
So here we go again, another Jamaican politician making a mess. You understand what I say? And even though the FLA is suggesting that they are probing and the police are suggesting that charges could be laid, I am not very confident that will obtain, that will obtain, because we know the situation politicians in Jamaica are, and it relates to them breaking the law and facing the consequences. You understand what I say? No, the police is saying that the politician placed a man life in danger, but that man volunteered for do that still, in truth and in fact, yes, the politician was reckless and careless. You understand? And no, that video was posted, so many persons know who never sure say them have a gun now, so that their hope on another can of worm. So them say them might investigate, they say charges could be laid, so we'll watch it and see, and I'll be sure to keep an eye on the developments surrounding this situation. Boy, may I tell you, I go range, man. You understand? If you want to shoot, go range, nobody do foolishness. And if you do that, why the hell you record that? And one little sneeze, one little cough, one little mosquito, and that brother with the outstretched hand could have been a dead man. But I suppose him know him like it himself, don't. You ever hear him say trouble not set like rain? I'm gone here, peeps.
So why are you turning your back now?
They can't catch everything. Wait.
I catch everything, man. I catch everything, man.
Alright, ready now.
Yeah, man. All three here. All three here. Clean through the center.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.